Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Cooper Clubman. The Mini Cooper Clubman is a longer version of the regular Mini with a larger back seat and more cargo space. Fuel economy on the Clubman is excellent, ranging from 29 to 33 miles per gallon, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, one owner, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, electronic stability control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.